There are no songs in the fields of North America. The fields of North America are in fact utterly lonesome.
In New York, I once attended an Indian princess's concert. How much grief in her song, how much heartache. It seemed to me that the wealthy socialites in the audience would be overcome with sorrow. The words so simple and yet so sad. She sang about the wide plain, the far-off steppe, the sunrise. She sang of the morning star, dew on the grasses, the reeds growing along the riverbank. She mimicked the silvery sound of water splashing on the sides of a nimble canoe. She sang of romance and deer hunts, sunsets and the stars in the night sky. So how could it be that this bored my neighbors? How could those city folk chuckle as they left the concert hall, when the place had been filled for me with such mourning? This is the true song of America. This is the spirit of America. This is the song of the prairies and the Great Lakes, the song that nested on the banks of this land's great rivers. The sun fades in the west, and so too fades our glory. The song of the Indian, the song of the field, is dying. So too are the last Indian tribes dying out, surrendering their Mother Earth to the white race. It is utterly lonesome for one of our people in the cities here. There are no songs in the cities of North America. In the cities, factories rumble and machines roar, trains fly overhead. The rhythm of life pulses too quick to carry a tune. Life here is too fast. The day ends fast. Life ends fast. The breath knocked out by the constant race after the clang of that cold metal bell. And if you do happen to catch your breath, then your thoughts are overwhelmed with tomorrow and not with your hour of sweet rest. Children from the old world, like songbirds always chirped away their folk songs in their native lands, cross the sea, only to find their songs snuffed out. The Italian, who seems like he sang even in his sleep back home, comes here to pave the roads of North America's great cities, to dig subway tunnels or work in the mines. Here his verses are forgotten. Here in America, you'll only hear a harsh barking. Under the tongues of heavy Italian women, the language cracks, dries up. Leaving his fatherland, the Italian belts out his songs for the last time on the ship to America. They sing with eyes shut tight, falling into a frenzied dance. The songs resound ceaselessly until they arrive at the threshold of the New World. After that, the wild songs fall silent. It's the same with those life-loving Spaniards. On the journey, they bring with them sour wine and sweet, fiery songs. They beat on tambourines, snap their fingers, sing and dance, dance and sing, until they reach the giant steel metropolis at the shore of the New World. The wine is drunk, and the songs are sung for the last time.
Komm zurück in meine Geheimnis, bring zurück dein kinderische Freude. Es vergehen in mir die Klangen von deiner kinderischen Komm zurück in mein Heim zu mir, durch Bläugheit von Nacht und die Sterne, in weißen Hemd, wie ich hab dich verwiegt. Komm zu mir durch Tränen. Nimm mich an bei der Hand, führ mich durch nachtigen Brink zu dein Land von goldenem Spiel, mein Kind, wie mit Jahren zurück. Nimm mich an bei der Hand, führ mich durch nachtigen Brink zu dein Land von goldenem Spiel, mein Kind, wie mit Jahren zurück, mit langen Jahren zurück. Komm zurück in meine Geheimnis, bring zurück dein kinderische Freude. Es vergehen in mir die Klangen von deiner kinderischen Rede. Komm zurück in mein Heim zu mir, durch Bläugheit von Nacht und die Sterne, in weißen Hemd, wie ich hab dich verwiegt. Komm zu mir durch Tränen.
Und unser Jiddisch-Lied, was wird selten in Chor gesungen, die Lied von dem ellenden Herz und verliebter, verbängter Neshome, was zieht sich in die Sommertag durch offene Fenster mit weißen Verhanglach verhangen und bei Nacht von die Presbys, was seinen in der Sommernacht behalten. Dernigen Unwärter, was kleibt sich vom Beismedrischkessler raus in die gräue Baginens, in die winterdicke frostige Tag und auch sommerdicke Nacht. Stumm wird die Lied und starbt, wie es starben Verlangen und Jugendgeläumes beim Verlassen die heimische Städte.
Schmetterlingen tanzen sie wie schön, sie wie frei. Lass mich nehmen dich beim Hand, der Tag geht bald vorbei, der Tag geht bald vorbei. Als verdunkel, als vergrau, Nacht kommt an von oben du. Sitzt den kleinen Schmetterling, Tulien dich sich zu ihm lass mich nehmen dich beim Hand. Red zu mir mit Liebe red, bis die Scheiß vor uns näht. Sag liegen, red von Fred, der Tag geht bald vorbei. Der Tag geht bald vorbei.
My mother sang all the time, and she taught me songs. I know probably 50 songs that she taught me, Yiddish and Russian, folk songs. And in those days, people sang all the time. That's what people did. We can't really imagine it, the amount of singing that went on. Or in Montreal, I remember hearing a loud voice, someone singing an Italian opera, an Italian aria. I look outside, there's a man walking down the street, singing at the top of his voice. You know, classical music.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to make a phone call.
So, but it's such a different world. You can't. It's so hard to take this seriously. You know, it sounds like sort of vignettes of an insignificant kind, but they were not only significant; they were the texture of life itself.
Yes.
So yes, there was a lot of music in the house.
Schmetterlingen tanzen sie wie schön, sie wie frei. Lass mich nehmen dich beim Hand, der Tag geht bald vorbei.